Hi everyone, Windows 11 25H2 is here, but you are missing its best features. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to unlock and enable them step by step. So stay tuned. This is the start menu. You can see the lot of have been upgraded and couple of good features has been introduced here, especially the view category sections, which you can see here is the widgets they have introduced here, and it's pretty cool. It's very handy, and plus the phone sections they have included here. You can toggle the phones here. You can go through your messages, calls, phones, photos, etc. This is a very super nice features they have introduced in Windows 11 25H2, but these features is hidden. You need to enable it. In order to enable this feature, you need third-party tools which is available in GitHub, also in the websites also, but this is the tool which make the hidden features enable in your system. So let's get started how you can enable this. Go to Google and type vivetool. Click it, the vivetool for Windows 11 Ultimate download. Here in the official websites there is a download now. Click it. This is being hosted in GitHub, so you will get a download link from here itself. The zip file you need to download 0.3.3. Once the download is being done, it will get stored in your download folder. You need to extract it. Click extract all, and you need to save it in your C drive or any drive you wish to do it, but it's better to save it in C drive. Let's save it. Create a folder here. I'll name it new folder as a vivetool. Once this folder is ready, select the folder and you extract the whole file and folders here. Click extract. It's almost done, so we will go back to C drive where we have created the vivetool folder. Click it. You can see all the files has been stored here. So in order to use this application, we will go to command prompt, right click it, run as an administrator, and there are simple commands you need to use it in order to enable those features. I'll have given this commands in the descriptions link itself. You can download it and use it. So we will first copy this start menu first line, the syntax here. We will copy it and paste it in the command prompt. Make sure you change the drive to C where we have created the new folder. Then you press enter. We'll copy the second command. Do exactly as the same way I've done it here. Press enter. You can see successfully set features enable. Second command, these are the file explorer. You can copy all the command all together and paste it in the command prompt. It will automatically enable those features. Right, you can see how I'm just copying and pasted it. It's very simple to use this command line. Paste it, and all the hidden features which is being hidden by Microsoft itself, which is not being available in your location, so these features is enabled in the system now. So how we will check it? We will go to here. You can see the AI action has been introduced in the file. Whatever the file you have like PNG or docs file, AI action has been introduced here. Plus the file explorer, they have introduced the AI search facility, which you can use it in the file explorer itself, like without having any issue. So if you want to search, earlier what we used to do, like whatever the files extension we have or file name, we just paste it in the search, but here they have introduced the AI search features. This is a brilliant thing they have introduced, and it's quite good features.